in the garden saying crunch, crunch, crunch. Orange little buddies we can munch for lunch. Peas in a pod going pop, pop, pop. Rolling all around, can't make them stop. Tomatoes turn red when the sun shines bright. Juicy and round, such a yummy sight. Broccoli trees standing tall and green. Tiny leafy forests in our bowls they're seen. Corn on the cob goes tap, tap, tap. Yellow little kernels in a neat snack wrap. Spinach leaves dancing in the breeze. Wiggly and giggly, eat them please. Potatoes underground taking a cozy nap. Wake up to become fries, clap, clap, clap. Cucumbers cool like a minty wave. Sliced in a salad, oh the crunch they gave. Pumpkins glow bright in the autumn air. Big round veggies with seeds to spare. Beans climb high on a leafy vine. Green long strings tasting just fine. So many veggies in color so bright. Healthy little heroes that make us feel light. Let's munch them, crunch them every single day. Veggie power helps us jump, run, and